My name is Florian from Carbotech, and I would like to show you an accessory for our Nitro-Dispenser today, and this accessory is called tap extension. The tap extension is a feature, so let's say what the name already says, it's an extension of the tap. So what does it mean? We have a piece of hose with two adapters on it. One adapter is going on the dispenser, is connected here instead of the tap. This means you remove the tap, you unscrew it, place this dispenser here, this adapter here, and then of course this tube is going in a column, or what we call a tower, and then on the outlet you reconnect the tap to the adapter here. So this means you extend the position of your tap. So why would you do this? The reason is we take the Nitro-Dispenser, which is an over-counter device, and place it under the counter, and instead of the dispenser you only have a tower standing on your bar, which means you have much more space available for glasses, for customer communication, for brochures and so on. So I will show you today how we can make such an installation or such a quick turnover. Okay, I come on the other side. So the tools we need for this, one is the tap key that is coming with the accessory of the dispenser, and we start by unscrewing the tap. So the dispenser is now empty, it was rinsed with water before, so it can simply, with this key, release this screw. Now, okay, we take off the tap. Okay, so instead of the tap, just put away. So what we're gonna reconnect now instead of the tap is something like this. It's a tap extension, but already coming in a tower. So here's the adapter that goes on the machine. Let's do this first now. Sorry, let's do this a little bit later. First, let's place the machine underneath and then connect it. So let's do it like this. Machine is under counter now, and yeah, we want let's say the position of the tower. There we have let's say different options. We decided to show you, or to use to showcase here a unit with a so-called bar clamp. The same unit can be fitted with a rod, and if you have a rod with a counter screw, you have to drill a big hole in the table. So it's an M50 thread, so you make a hole, then you put this right in the middle of your bar. Or you take a bar clamp, which then gives you the possibility to simply clamp your tower to the bar, which means you don't need to drill any holes inside. So for obvious reasons, we're gonna show this today. All you need here is a wrench. So we're not gonna fix it really tightly here, it's just to show. Here we're gonna place the tap that is coming from the dispenser, and of course we also have a drip tray that you can put like this, remove like that. Very simple. Okay, and now let's connect it to the machine. So let's use the key here again. Okay, connected. So this tube here can be shortened, of course, to make it really fit closely or perfectly from the tower to the dispenser. We're gonna leave it like this now here because it's just a temporary installation. So with the tap, we take it like, we place it here on the tower. Very simple. Okay. So the rod we don't need anymore. Put this away. So now let's connect the machine. We have already some coffee prepared for this purpose now. Let's place this underneath as well. Put on. Okay, usually I would try with water first, but I'm pretty confident that everything is tight. And let's switch on the compressor. And let's see if everything is working. The trip tray from the dispenser, unfortunately, we cannot use anymore. Let's put this aside as well. Okay. So, I think we are on coffee. Let's give it a first trial. Yeah, all good. All okay. So I think it's quite a neat feature that we offer here with the Nitro-Dispensers because they're really flexible. You can have it on the bar, you can have it under the bar. This tower solution, by default, we have available in black or in stainless. And yeah, what other questions might be? Let's say what happens in a dispense break. So because the cooling is a bit away now, let's say cooling is happening inside here. So this tube is coming with a 1/4 inch hose, which means an inside diameter of 4 mm. And the volume that is, let's say, stored between the dispenser and the tap is about, depending on the length of the line, obviously, but it's about 10 to 50 milliliter. So if you dispense a cup of 200 ml or a glass, you won't notice that there is any temperature increase. We have an isolation, so if you have a frequent tapping, that's not an issue at all. But even if you leave it for a while and temperature is rising up or is increasing inside the tube, you won't notice as it's coming initially as a warmer product, but only the first 10 milliliter, and then it's coming cold stuff again. The only feature or the only thing that you cannot use anymore is the nitro toggle switch that is on the machine. Okay, so this does not make a lot of sense anymore because here on the bar, yeah, you won't go like this, and I don't think it makes a lot of sense anymore. It's still working, but I think most customers would say, okay, it's a pure nitro then. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you today, and see you next time. Bye.